give me that.
That'll work. There's a shrimp in there.
Yeah, you killed a shrimp.
It's been like that.
Give me the.
All right, where's that? All right, there you go.
Yay.
It's about right there.
I think if you pull this one up, we can reach. He's right on this.
Right
He's right on the bar. Comes to this post. But I don't know about pulling these pieces out
Am I
because
supposed
these
to
are
try
hooked
and-
together in a weird way.
Am I supposed to try and scare it out?
You're gonna have to. It's gonna have to be scooped after it goes into water.
I feel bad.
First of all, try to get the screws out and see what we have.
I don't want to scare him.
You want to scare him or you want to save his life?
Don't like get scared, Savannah, and go off into the water. I can just see it flying out.
There is the moment. Mom left. I don't know where she went.
Probably in the tree, maybe.
Did that one float away?
Yep, that's what I thought. That one never bit.
That one barely bit, if anything.
Where's it?
I can't see.
Oh, she's like right here, actually.
Yeah, she's like. Do you see it?
You want a little net? Like this little green one or purple one?
Grant, check if it's still there.
No, it's back. No, it's back. Andy, you're looking the wrong way.
Oh, I see it.
It's there. It's on the back side of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you pick it up?
Well, it's probably gonna fly away or attack you.
No, it's get the video going.
You don't want to touch it?
Yeah,
I already
don't touch
am.
it.
All right, Net.
Why, do
It
you
just
want
pooped.
I saw that, yeah.
It
Is
just
it big net or little net?
I don't care.
It has to be a little. Oh, I didn't know there was room.
Randy, which one fits?
I don't know, for a big one.
Keep looking for a bird, like
Purple
a
one.
spot
I think you're gonna need that big one.
on. Okay.
This big one's not gonna fit in there.
Okay.
Ew, it pooped.
Yeah, I said that. You want me
Let's jump in there.
are you worried about me scaring it or saving its life?
Save its life.
Oh God.
Oh, I hear
It's
it.
in the water. It's in the water. It's in the water. It's in the water.
Calm down. Everyone calm.
Oh, Mama's back.
Right. It's on the other side. It's on the other. Oh shoot! His head is going in.
No, it's not. It's not.
Okay. 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 It's behind. It's behind it.
Please save it. The poor bird.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it.
Yay!
Yay!
Put him up in the grass. Put him up in the grass.
Watch out. Watch out.
Oh, it's a baby. Yeah, it's a baby.
Hi,
Put
He
him in
won't be
the
able to
grass.
fly if his wings are soaking.
All right, hold up.
Go back
Where's
in.
the mom at?
I don't know.
Just was waving.
Okay.
Can I give it a worm?
Come get it.
Let me keep it.
Everybody go inside. Or up on the deck.
Mama will come get it.
We saved you.
All right, Kira, back up.
Oh.